In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically admit participants on Google Meet. This is particularly handy for hosts who want a more seamless meeting experience. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Calendar. Google Calendar is the heart of your event management if you are using Google Meet. Once you've opened Google Calendar, look for the specific event you plan to host and click on it. Now, this will open a pop-up with all the details related to the event. You'll notice at the top right of this pop-up an option labeled Edit Event. Go ahead and click on that. Once you are in the event editing mode, let's move on to the next step, which is accessing the event settings. It might be tempting to jump right into the details, but patience is key here as each setting plays an important role. In the Edit mode, you'll find a tab that says Settings. This is where we're going to focus our attention right now. Clicking on the settings will open up various options related to how your meeting will be managed. Now, the feature that allows the Google Meet to automatically admit participants is nestled neatly among these options. To change these settings, you will begin by disabling host management. Disabling this setting is what helps you skip the manual admission process during the meeting. It's a simple toggle, and once turned off, it will ensure that participants can join without waiting for your approval. Remember, this isn't ideal if you require strict control over who enters your meeting, so assess your requirements before proceeding. With host management disabled, proceed by clicking on the button labeled Open. This doesn't affect a link or admission process, but rather ensures that the settings you are adjusting are acknowledged and ready to be saved. Once you've confirmed these changes, it's crucial to remember to save them. Saving the changes means that the adjustments will be applied to your event and will automatically translate into the meeting settings on the specified day and time. Now, return to your Google Calendar and click on Join with Google Meet. This will bring you right into the Google Meet interface. You'll see a button that says Join Now, and clicking this will take you into the meeting. And now, you'll wait for participants to join automatically thanks to the settings we just configured. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy your Google Meet sessions with the newfound ease of automatically admitting participants. Let me know if there are other tutorials you'd like me to cover. See you in the next video.